Bali is a beautiful island with a significant rice field in tourism since 1980s. Tourism-related business makes up 80% of its economy. Bali is the only Hindu majority province in Indonesia. In the 1970s, the Balinese economy was largely agriculture-based in terms of both output and employment. Until now, especially in the village, majority the people still working be a farmer. Balinese Hinduism have a concept called TRI HITA KARANA, which means three causes of happiness. Among other things is the harmonious relationship between humans and God, humans with nature, and humans with humans. Now we can see how the harmony between a farmer and nature, especially the birds. Watch more videos about Bali in my YouTube channel Adi Knows Bali. Thank you.